Stay tuned because I'm going to be showing you how I achieve my mermaid loose waves. I'm Stylist Lee, and if you're new, be sure to subscribe below. You're here today because you want to learn how to do waves with a flat iron. I'm going to be showing you today how I did these natural big waves on SL Raw version hair. This is in their loose curly collection in the 26 inches. You can wear it straight or you can wear it wavy. So we originally straightened her hair out in our last video. If you haven't seen it, be sure to check out that quick weave video here. In this video, I'm going to be doing a secondary style on her, and we're going to be doing those fabulous waves you see all over the net. Keep watching as I show you how to do waves with a flat iron. Welcome back, you guys. Thank you for continuing watching. As you guys can see, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve my mermaid curls. I'm going to be using my babyless flat iron, and I'm just going to be going in on 375 heat and just working my wrists up and down in between those creases. One thing that I like about this style is it can be worn for any occasion. Since the holidays are here, this is a perfect holiday hairstyle that you can wear with a cute sweater or a cardigan or blazer or whatever's your style. Nice little cute dress, but it can be worn for any occasion. If for whatever reason you're watching this video and it's not holiday season, do not feel obligated to only wear this style for the holidays. It is a great any occasion style. It can be worn in the office. It can be worn for your birthday. It can be worn just for everyday purposes. But one thing I like about this look is it is a very sleek, soft look, and it can go with almost anything, as I mentioned. The con that I don't like about this particular look is it takes forever to do. So you definitely are going to have to be very patient when doing this look. Now there's a cheat code. You can go to your local Target or you can go to Sally's and get a deep waver, but you won't get your waves exactly like this. Unfortunately, something like this has to be done manually with the flat iron in order for you to achieve this look. So what we did when I first started out on this mannequin, we went ahead and did a Frontal weave install using loose curly hair from SL Raw version hair, and the hair automatically comes curly. So I went ahead and blow dried and flat ironed it out, but I didn't do it bone straight, because as you know, when you try to go in and add curls to bone straight hair, those curls tend not to last or be as prominent when doing it on textured hair. So we just kind of let the hair be as textured as possible, and then I went in with the flat iron. I'm going to go ahead and move to this section. Hopefully you guys can see a little bit better. So I'm going to go in at the base, taking my flat iron, rolling it towards me, pausing, and then I'm going to go right where I stopped that dip and flip it, pause, and then repeat that process over and over again until we get all the way to the ends. And usually I try to make sure I flip those ends under, just because I don't like the hairs to be sticking out. But however, you can style this however you like. And I'm just going to proceed with that. Just flipping over and under, over and under. If you want your curls to be even more deep, you can add a little bit of spritz or any type of holding spray. And that'll help with making those waves even deeper and also last longer. So I'm going to move on to my next subsection, and I'm just going to go in, starting from the base, curling over and then under, over and then under. So it's pretty simple.